Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Warzone Mobile, even if your device isn't officially compatible. Many players encounter frustrating messages about their device not meeting the game's requirements. Fortunately, there's a proven method to overcome these hurdles and dive into the action. We'll focus on using an Android emulator, which creates a virtual environment on your computer, allowing you to run the game smoothly. First, you'll need to select a robust Android emulator. Popular choices include BlueStacks and Nox Player, both known for their performance and user-friendliness. Before installation, verify your computer has at least 8 GB of RAM and a modern processor for optimal gameplay. Download the installer from the official website and follow the straightforward setup wizard to get your virtual Android device ready. Once your emulator is up and running, navigate to the Google Play Store within the virtual environment. Search for Warzone Mobile and initiate the download and installation process, just as you would on a regular Android device. If the Play Store still shows incompatibility, you can manually download the game's APK and OBB data files from a trusted source and install them directly through the emulator's file manager. To ensure the best possible experience, optimize your emulator settings. Increase the allocated RAM to at least 4 GB and assign 4 or more CPU cores for smoother performance. Experiment with different graphics settings within the emulator and the game itself to find your sweet spot. Finally, customize your keyboard and mouse controls for precise aiming and movement, giving you a competitive edge in Warzone Mobile.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.